Did you know that ChatGPT Plus version costs around $20 per month? But what if I told you that there are tricks to use ChatGPT Plus for free? Let me show you. Just a couple months ago, OpenAI introduced its most powerful and advanced model called ChatGPT-4o, and it has been turning the world upside down since then. The new model offers optimized performance compared with the previous versions. You will get more accurate responses and much faster. Really, when I tried the 4o model first time myself, I was totally blown up how fast and good it was. It also features advanced capabilities like motion detection and real-time translation, making it a game changer in the AI world. The new model of ChatGPT supports seamless integration with plugins, provides improved personalized chat experience, and understands context better for smoother conversations. And if all this wasn't enough, the new model also has improved multilingual capabilities, allowing it to handle a wider range of languages with greater proficiency. My name is Alfie Lindberg, and today I'm going to show you how you can start using ChatGPT 4o completely for free. And just one last thing before we move. A quick disclaimer, this video is fully made by my AI avatar, and if you are interested in how to create your own digital twin, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. I will be making a video about this very soon. And now let's continue. Let's start by heading over to chat.openai.com and log in or sign up. It's very easy to set up an account, so we will just choose to log in with Google, and here we are. So now you're in, you can start using ChatGPT. Let's test it with a prompt to generate a generic email to a customer to explain why the project is delayed. And as you can see, ChatGPT immediately crafts a professional email draft. So another big change is that this model is now multimodal. This means that you can upload and analyze pictures and videos and files, not just text. Let's see how it works. So here I have an infographic about Olympic Games from the latest Economist issue. It is just a picture, a print screen that I took, and I will ask ChatGPT to explain it to me. So it starts to analyze the graph, highlighting the key points. So you can upload any picture to ChatGPT and it can help you. It can also be a video or another type of file. Now, when you have seen ChatGPT's amazing capabilities, you might be wondering, how can you get unlimited access to ChatGPT 4o? The free account has limitations which depend on how the model is used at the current moment. But here's a trick. We're going to be using Bing Chat, which integrates ChatGPT 4o. This allows it to deliver more accurate and insightful search results. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT-4, Bing Chat can provide responses equivalent to the default ChatGPT-4 model, enhancing your search experience with better context and understanding. This integration means you can enjoy the benefits of ChatGPT-4 advanced capabilities without any additional cost. Now let's see how it works in practice. So go ahead and open Bing Chat and you will be redirected to this webpage where you can start prompting immediately. Let's see how it works. I will write a prompt to ask to help me to create a strategy to launch a new product, that is, plant-based protein bars. And I immediately get the response. This is how you can use Bing AI. You will need to create your account and it will allow you to leverage Bing AI powered by the ChatGPT 4o model to get fantastic results for free. It is a powerful tool that brings you the best of AI without any cost. So our next trick is to use Google Chrome extension called Merlin. Merlin is an extension that integrates seamlessly with your browser, offers advanced AI capabilities right at your fingertips. This extension utilizes ChatGPT-4 model and delivers really great outputs that are equivalent to ChatGPT-4. So start by searching for Merlin on Google and then create your own account to get started. After you have set up your account, you can start prompting immediately. So once you go on Merlin on your Chrome, you will be redirected to this page. You can also add the extension so you have it on the sidebar on the right. So I'm going to do that, and now we're ready to start prompting. You can choose different models, so make sure you've chosen ChatGPT-4o. So let's test with a prompt like this. Create a sales pitch for an eco-friendly water bottle. And I get my sales pitch immediately. Great job! And as you have seen before, you can choose different models here, also from other AI companies. This is how you can use Merlin powered by ChatGPT-4o model to get enhanced results for free. It's a powerful tool that brings you the best of AI without any cost. And now I will show you a really secret trick that no one talks about. So what you could actually do is to go to a website called Hugging Face. And Hugging Face is a space where AI and machine learning professionals and enthusiasts collaborate. And what happens here is that many of them publish their AI models. So what you can do is to press on Spaces menu, and here you can search for some GPT-4o models that were published. And let's, for example, test this one. And as you can see, you can use voice as input or chat version that allows you to chat with AI and upload files. And I'm going to upload the same graph on Olympic Games from The Economist that I used earlier. So this model takes a bit more time than the usual ChatGPT-4o, but I get my answer and it looks good. The only thing that I urge you to think about when you're using this method is that these models are created by someone and then posted. So be extra careful with your data. Don't use any sensitive or personal data and think of your prompts as public. Would you post this on Facebook so everyone would see? You would. Then go ahead and write this prompt. And just like that, you learn tricks that allow you to get faster and more accurate responses and to use advanced capabilities like data analysis and real-time translation of ChatGPT. Please try these methods and let me know which one is your favorite. And please subscribe for more videos about AI. See you in the next one.